Good evening, ma'am and sir. Welcome to the Grand Palmera Hotel. Allow me to assist you with your luggage. We strive to make your experience seamless from the moment you arrive. Please follow me. I'll ensure a smooth check-in process. Our goal is to anticipate your needs and exceed your expectations. While we process your arrival, will you prepare a refreshing welcome drink? We offer a selection of juices, teas, and even some local Filipino specialties. While I handle the formalities, please feel to relax. Is there anything specific you'd like to arrange for your stay? Perhaps a spa appointment, dinner reservations, or tickets to a local event. Here's your room, ma'am and sir. I've already ensured your luggage is safely inside and unpacked. We pride ourselves on attention to detail. Notice the complimentary local fruits and the welcome note, a small gestures to make you feel at home. Is there anything else I can assist you with? Perhaps you'd like to show it hotel's amenities to explain in the room. Technology. Enjoying the view, ma'am and sir. The Grand Palmera boasts stunning views of the surrounding landscape. We are dedicated to providing you with a truly unforgettable experience. Is there anything I can get you? Perhaps another towel, or perhaps you'd like to order something from the poolside menu. Ready for your evening, ma'am and sir? I've already confirmed your reservation at the restaurant you request. Allow me to assist you with your choice of attire. We aim to make every aspect of your stay exceptional. Palmera Hotel logo appears on the screen with contact information and a tagline emphasizing personalized service. The tagline could be something like Grand Palmera, where exceptional service anticipates your every need.